I'm gonna unboxing the mini washing machine, the BLACK+DECKER. So I bought from Amazon. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna look at this first. So I will show you everything for you guys. I'll give you a review. How is this? The BLACK+DECKER, the mini one. And this is the best seller. So I think so. I hope so. It's the very good quality. I'm trying to share with you guys how is this quality and how is this the machine and everything, you know. So this is the top parts, you know. So just put right there. So complete one. So this is the machines. I think so this is the top part here. So let's see. Oh yeah. This side, I will show you. So this is the washing machine, the mini ones. So you can saw that everything. This is the inside.